Expensive also. Yesterday may klase.
In the night.
You put ice?
No. The yogurt is already cold and mango also cold.
Ah, yeah, the mango.
I didn't put ice.
Dito si Kanchi guys, oh. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon.
After a long time.
What is good afternoon in Nepali?
Good afternoon. In Nepali?
Huh. Parang walang gana. She's not interested to.
So English is better, no?
English. Why in the afternoon?
You sound weird. Do so now.
Huh?
Do so.
Duso? It's like it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Duso.
So English is better.
Yeah. Kanchi, Johan, they don't have holiday.
Only one day maybe? Or
No, today even they have big program in the school, but sad to say he cannot attend because of he got viral infection. Nagka-viral infection guys si Johan. Dinala ko yan siya sa doktor. Gusto niyang kumain ng mango float. Eh, sweet yan. Later I'll give you and Mandira. Si Johan.
He's giving side eyes. Am I not giving me yet?
Yeah. I'm planning guys to make lassi because I buy 1 liter of yogurt. Iksi pachas. 150 I buy. Then when I reach in the home, I just realized we don't have electricity since 11 o'clock. Grabe yung brownout guys. As in. I have little ice. You want lassi?
Mango lassi. You make?
Yeah, I'll make. Inom kami guys. Today only, the last time she came, it was Deepak's birthday.
Yeah.
And then she's always busy. Tumaba siya, she gained weight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
I said, what about me? Because I'm expecting she will answer me, same. But she replied me, little. Oh. Kasi dito ni Kanchi, lumaki oh. You here, little bit big for you. It suits to her, no? To gain weight.
But my stomach is also a little bit
Yeah, it's okay.
big.
How is your work?
Yeah, good.
Good job, no? Good job. Mandira, tell me, maybe uncle will get retired now.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magre-retired na yung tatay ni si uncle, guys. How old na, uncle?
Because you reach 60 now.
Oh, na-reach.
And they will not give the work
Oh.
after 60.
In Nepal, no? 60 years old. 60 years old na kasi si uncle, guys. Di bali, have already pension from the army. May pension na siya sa army. And what about the second job he will get also? Or on retirement money?
Only retirement. From army only the pension. And this is private job, no? You don't get pension. Only the salary.
In army? Pension.
Yeah.
Pensionado na rin si uncle, pero sa
You get
gratuity only he will get. How many years he work as a security kanchi? Too much.
yeah, more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
After retirement, he's working. He
Oh,
working for security.
it's okay now because Mandira is finished. And you finished not yet, yeah? How many years more?
1.5.
1.5 pa. But Indira is a working student, yeah? She's working student, but she's earning good now. At the same time, you're still studying.
Yeah.
No, nag-aaral pa rin siya. But online only.
Online study.
Oh, iba kasi dito. She's telling me, I'm calling you about you and your mobile is switched off. I did not realize that I don't have SIM card anymore. And my SIM card was with Deepak.
He took out your SIM and he put his own SIM, no?
No, he don't have SIM card also. His SIM card is with the mobile.
And why is your phone is off?
I don't know. My SIM card, guys.
SIM card is pop and everything changed now, different.
Maybe
Oh,
he put
mamaya
his new
kwento ko
SIM,
sa'yo.
no? That's why.
We did not buy it.
He didn't buy it?
No.
Maybe now his phone is off. Maybe.
I don't know even that I don't have because I told him yesterday that you can get.
And here is Johan SIM. There is Johan SIM.
This is Mommy's SIM card, yeah? Yeah, in
My
Mommy.
SIM card originally, they use that for Ama.
For in Nepal.
Yung SIM card niyon kasi pag nandito si Ama gumagamit.
Maybe now there is war no, between you and Johan
No.
for the phone.
I
No?
don't know. This one also he's not using because of the mobile. Because of the battery. He's using, but
iPad.
because of the battery. So ito yung mobile ni Johan, guys. Kwento ko sa inyo mamaya, guys.
You can use. What is it?
Because I said nobody's calling me, only Kanchi. They are the one calling me here.
And
And
now your phone is switched off.
yeah, and I said nobody's calling me except this, or sometimes Usante. The rest, nobody is calling me, guys, except chismis in the messenger with Saisa, my friends. And you know, chismis lang, talking about the life. So ayun, I did not tell them about what happened yesterday of Deepak Mobile, no? So that is why mamaya kwento ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Now la 5 o'clock na Kanchi.
Yeah. Bausi, di ba didn't call me stay? What happened to mom?
Ay hala, oo. What did you call this? I heard mommy also last night that she's telling to Deepak about this. We have to visit her, no?
Yeah, Mama is telling no to the Fogday.
How can you come because you have work?
I can take for 2 hours leave.
Eh. You know, Kanchi, I'm the one who make the condensed milk. Yeah, better. If we make, we can measure the sweetness. Dito na gawa kami ng lasi ni Kanchi. Nag-uusap kami patungkol sa weather, no? That's why the doctor says, take care. Kasi nga, dinala ko kahapon si Yuhan sa doktor, guys. We'll put little ice, Kanchi. Ito, kasi binigay nila ni Kanchi ito. Oh. This is already ripe, Kanchi. Maybe the other one. Yeah, this one. What is that? Okay. Grrr. Okay. Grrr. Everywhere. See, kita mong ice ko. Nagtubig-tubig na. May ice. Ay, naku guys. Yung mobile ni Deepak nag-swimming. The mobile of Deepak is swim.
Yeah.
He's very sad, you know? Because yesterday, we went to the doctor. I'm planning to take Johan to the doctor first. Because when I check Johan temperature at around 6:30, 100.9. I told him, come, we'll go to the doctor, but first let me check if he is available. Then it so happened, doctor is in already. After we come from the doctor. Actually, before that, I keep on calling Deepak 15 times. He's not answering. I said, how come it's hard for him to answer the mobile? Usually, if I called 1 or 2 ring, he will answer. Then I message him, we are going to the doctor. Still undelivered like this, the message. After we come from the doctor, suddenly one person bumped us, and then Yuhan said, oh, Papa. Then after that, I said, you know where we come from? And then he said, you know also what happened to me? I said, I don't know. Can I'll put the yogurt now? I said, I don't know what happened to you.
Yeah.
Then he said, my mobile, I dropped my mobile. But that time, I don't have reaction because I thought he'd only drop like normal. Yeah, I thought he dropped his mobile and it's with him. Then after that, I told Johan he got viral infection, this and that. That's why I take him to the doctor because he have slight fever. Then after that, Deepak said, you will not ask what happened to my mobile if the mobile is with me or what? Why you don't have reaction? Sabi niya ganun sa akin. Okay, you can put that one in the rice like before you fix your iPhone. You can keep in the rice and then it will be okay. He said, then what I will put in the rice? It's not with me anymore. I drop in the water. I drop in the river. Then that's the time I give my full reaction. Like, really? And I was so shocked. And I said, that is the reason why you are not answering my calls and my messages. It's not delivered. He said, yeah, that's why I'm wondering. Also, I keep on telling. And then I dropped my mobile and then no reaction.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, then what can we do now?
Yeah, it's double.
Then he said, I'm very sad. Nalungkot daw siya. And all the files that he saved, all the memories, it's there in the mobile.
Yeah.
Ay, nako.
All the pictures.
All the pictures and our passwords in the notes. Look, my yogurt.
Babe.
Sabi ni Kanchi. Sabi ni Kanchi, too much Bauju. 1 liter pa naman ang binili ko, guys. No, half.
You make half again.
Nagulat si Kanchi. Ang dami mo nilagay, ate, oh. Tawa ko talaga sa kanya. Ngayon lang talaga ako nag-vlog kasi nagpahinga po ako, wala po ako masyadong tulog. Plus, we don't have the electricity since 11 o'clock. Hala, Kanchi, look.
It will be more, you have to finish.
No, not finished. 3 of us. And there is ice already. I keep down. We'll put sugar.
Which one only?
Kasi guys, uso naman ngayon ang viral infection. Gawa nga sabi ni Doc sa weather. Konting sugar lang kasi matamis na itong mangga. This is also the mango they give us from the village.
Yeah. This local na without medicine.
Without medicine. Yeah.
Otherwise we cannot trust here.
Which neighbor you get, you know.
Yeah. Which one only?
You put Kanchi water. Yun, ayun guys. Sabi ni Kanchi, maulan ate, pero ang init. Totoo yun guys. Even if it's...
It's already full thousand.
Huh? No.
It's already full na.
Just try. Let's see if it will jump all. This is even small, the smoothie we have. I throw, no, the plastic.
Oh my gosh.
I'm very stupid, that is why. Yan. Wow! Okay na? Picture na? Okay, okay.
Maybe it's very small.
Guys. Ayan na guys, ang aming lassi. Which one for you? Choose. That one for you.
Oh my god.
No, the same, this one, the same.
No, the...
Only glasses big. Look, look.
You hurry up.
Cheers, Anna. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Oh, cheers, Anna. Oh. Wow. Little bit sour. Not sweet.
This is the sourness of mango.
Yeah, sourness of mango. Organic mango. You see how very gloomy again? Dito kami guys. Oh. Guys, sila pa nagluto pala ng ampalaya. Minimix nila ng patatas. You mix with the alo. So, I will try that one. They're frying. Dal and that one. Mandira shit. Yeah, that's what I searched
No
yesterday.
taste also if we have also because due to water, no too much water. There's a no taste in munta also.
That's why I'm planning to go and I will buy munta. Because since yesterday I cooked that iskos. I have little bit allergy. Johan. His cough. Guys, may ang yung ubo niyo. May allergy siya konti sa ubo niya. In front of doctor yesterday, he's coughing.
Where do you take?
This doctor. 2 times already I take their Johan. Is good also. Yesterday there is one guy, you know? That guy, low blood. Naimatay na sa it's like he will collapse already. Where we are sitting down, no? Our things there, he lie down there, you know? We keep the umbrella and jacket, he lie down there. He's like he's sweating. And then after some time, they let him rest in the other room. And they put him IV. Because he cannot stand up. Sobrang low blood daw niya. Here in Nepal, no, the majority, the people problem is low blood. Because too much eating this vegetable only, no other vitamins or what they're taking. No cancer, no? Too much low blood. If hindi naman low blood, blood cancer. Because of the chemical naman sa mga gulay, guys.
That's why the blood cancer is increasing, no?
Guys.
What do you put? Munta?
Yeah. My favorite. And this, the other one, Pako. I don't know what is the name in Nepali, this one.
Sad.
Sag also, but it's like this.
Eh, this one neuro.
Ah, yung Pako.
Neuro.
This very good in iron. You have to let Mandira eat also.
Oh. See, like, in the single also there is too much, no?
Oh?
But here I don't like. The smell is not good.
No, before you wash kanchi with baking soda and salt. Because the taste, it has bitter taste, no?
Yeah.
This good. Guys, di ba, malakas to sa iron yung pako, neuro.
It looks like the insect, no?
Yan. Johan, you have the chicken soup there in the fridge. Yung ibang kaklase ni Johan ay may lagnat.
I'm supposed to go ice up with house today.
Doctor said you have to do bed rest, but he is thinking to go here and there. I did not go.
I'm full now.
Full that he have viral infection, it can go to the other students also. He is playing. Hey guys, dito na ako sa bahay. Nakauwi na si Kanchi. At sumama ako sa kanya. Kasi bumili ako ng maluluto ko. Ito yung lulutuin natin. Ang palaya, i-mix ko ito ng patatas. Ito naman para bukas. Naalala nyo, mayroon pa tayong beans na flat na binili para bukas yun. Yun yung lutuin natin. Ito for our dinner. And, naingala ko kasi nagagdan. Munta. Yung talbos ng kalabasa. Ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon. And si Johan, may tinulang manok pa ako na niluto kagabi. Yun na nga guys. May viral infection si Johan. Dinala ko siya sa doktor kahapon. Dahil nung around 6:30, kinapa ko siya. Medyo mainit. Diba nasabi ko sa inyo na may ubo-ubo si Johan? So, ayun. Nagka-viral infection siya dahil nga siguro gawa na din ng mga ibang kaklase niya ay may mga lagnat. At may mga ubo-ubo. Kaya, ayun, hawa-hawa na. Gawa nga din na sa weather namin, guys. And ako naman ay 4 o'clock matulog na. Nakatulog-tulog man ako, slight, pero pagising-gising. Dahil nga chinecheck ko si Johan, dahil nga may lagnat-lagnat siya, no? Pero ngayon, nire-round the clock ko lang yung paracetamol na bigay ni Doc. And may konting kasamang allergy yung ubo-ubo niya. Gawa nga sa weather namin, na sobrang init, tapos sobrang bagsak yung ulan. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. Sobrang madilim yung kaulapan namin, guys. Makikita nyo dito. Sa labas, kita nyo yan. Yan. Ngayon, about naman kay Deepak, yung mobile ni Deepak, guys, nalaglag niya sa river. Hindi niya namalayan na yung sa shorts niya, bumagsak doon, guys, sa sobrang daloy ng tubig. Ayan yung video, Hindi niya dyan namalayan. Nakukuhanan siya ni Sanjay Day ng video dahil nga tumatawid siya. Dahil nga nagtawid sila ni Sanjay Day sa river. So, ayun, hindi niya na naramdaman. Naramdaman niya na lang yung nung kinapa niya nang nakarating na siya kay Sanjay Day na wala na yung mobile niya. So, nalaglag. Sobrang lungkot niya kagabi. Pero wala tayong magagawa. iPhone 14 yung sa kanya Yun. Hindi ko alam, iPhone 14 ba yun? Oo, iPhone 14. Si Deepak naman, sobrang yun. Kumbaga, talaga siya, nag-iingat. So, kagabi medyo nalungkot siya. And kagabi medyo matrabaho yung aming sitwasyon kasi nga, naglipatan kami ng files kasi sabi ko, gamitin mo na lang muna yung mobile ko. And ako naman, wala naman may tumatawag sa akin. Kaya nga hindi ko alam pala yung SIM card ko, kinuha na niya. And yung gamit ko ngayon na SIM card is yung kay Johan. Ito naman yung mobile ni Johan na ito ngayon ang ginagamit ko na. Dahil hindi man ginagamit ni Johan yung mobile niya. At sa akin ay wala naman may tumatawag. Except lang nga sila ni Auntie at saka ni Kanchi. Yun, at yung SIM card na yan, pag nandito si Ama, yan yung ginagamit niya rin yung SIM card ni Johan. So, si Johan medyo okay na siya, guys, dahil nabigyan na siya ng pang-viral infection na gamot sa ubo. And dito, guys, sa doktor na ito. Kasi available lang tong doktor na to pag gabi. Kasi pag daytime nasa hospital yan siya. So, ayun. At medyo lahat ng mga pasyente ni Doc is halos viral infection. Kaya sabi niya mag-ingat kayo this time. Lalong-lalo ngayon ang panahon ay hindi maganda sa atin. So, uso talaga ang ubo at sipon. Kayo din dyan, guys, mag-ingat kayo. Ayan ko na yung aking vlog. So, yan yung aking content for today. Kaya, ayun, hapon na rin ako nag-start mag-vlog kasi bumawi pa ako ng pahinga kanina, guys. Kasi nga, kulang tayo sa pahinga. But anyway, thank you, Lord, kahit pa paano okay si Johan. And sabi lang ni Doc, bed rest lang talaga siya. So, ayun. At saka kita-kits tayo sa susunod na mga vlogs, guys. Mag-ingat. Bless sa ating lahat and salamat sa laging nandyan kayo at pagko-comments and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng aking channel. Baka naman, wish nyo lang i-click nyo yung pulang button para ma-update kayo pag may bago akong uploads. So, sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, thank you so much. God bless you all. Lagi po kayo mag-pray. Bye, guys. Good night.